Try it one more time. We've got a little more left there. There we go. You felt that?
Hot, man.
You felt that?
Oh yeah. Turn the lights on.
Okay, today we're working on a young man here. He woke up with some neck pain, radiating down his arm. So the main thing we're looking at, usually when we have pain going down the arm, look at these lower cervicals. We do have a couple misalignments through here. Another thing is like posture as well. We're working with postural improvements. Something that has been in the news a little more lately is when we have this little notch here. Usually all the muscles attached there. So a lot of times if there's poor posture, there'll be more stress and strain on that area. So the body will actually put more bone down there to maintain that extra, or to handle that extra tension from the muscles. So we're going to work to improve that, get him feeling better. And we use the Y strap also to get rid of some of the compression in this C6, C7 area down there. And I'm going to start with the arthrostim. We used this last time? I don't think we used this last time, did we? We have this.
I think we did, yeah.
This thing? Okay, so we're just going to get this on some of these muscles here. It's the left arm? It's going down the left arm?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that too much or is that okay?
That's good.
No, it doesn't feel good, right?
I actually kind of like it.
You like it? Okay. Well, everybody's different. Some people, yeah, they don't. All right, we're gonna press right here. Oh, awesome. There's gonna be one more right here. Good. It was. I'm gonna come up on this side here. There, and let's check your low back here. Okay, let's have you lay this side up here, facing me. Low back. Had you let your low back adjust before?
I think I have, yeah.
Okay. Let me see this arm here. There, okay. Let's lay on your back. Okay, that moves beautifully.
That was delightful.
Alright, we're going to actually have you scoot down to the edge of the, so your feet are hanging off the edge of the table there, just like that. We're going to bring this up. And stay right there. Bring this back. So do about 10 light pulls and one heavier pull. Oh, try it one more time. We've got a little more left there. There we go. You felt that?
Hot, man.
You felt that?
Oh yeah. Turn the lights on.
We're going to work on this lower neck here. So this spot here, I think there's one more spot here. So look to the right. Oh, that was it there. All right. You doing okay then?
Oh yeah.